in Cala Conte today. It's a very beautiful location in Ibiza, Spain. We got Violetta, we got Barbara, both ready to shoot. So without any further ado, let's shoot! So we found this hidden little cave over here and we're gonna try and put both models on this makeshift bank. I'll show you guys right over here. So we're gonna see if we can get them there because it looks very beautiful, of course. Sometimes we have to find a good spot. They don't come to you, you know, we have to go to them. I think it will look good if we get you a little bit more down because the light is more strong down than up. Oh yeah, I like the pose from you, Violetta. The light looks very good. Can you make a strong one a little bit to the front? Yes, yeah, like this exactly. It looks very cool. So after the cave, it's time to move out. For this, we're switching lenses. We're no longer shooting on the 16-35, but we shoot on the 50mm right now. I make one solo picture first and then we switch. Oh yes, and it's shining so much in the sun. Yeah, I like it a lot. With the chest, turn a little bit. Yes, there is perfect. I like it when you hold the dress. It looks good. Okay, I make a few. I make one high from here. Turn a little bit with the chin. Yes. Wow, now it looks super beautiful. For there's some really good ones.
Oh, I like.
Yeah. Let's move you maybe a little bit there. That's good. We can switch the whole time. We make a few and then I show you. Oh yes, I like it when you pull one side up. It looks cool. You can close the eyes because it's too difficult to look inside. Yes, maybe we can work with it. Yeah. Check out the link in the description for an exotic week full of photo shoots with professional models. Don't forget to mention There is Slow during the booking process to get priority on your booking so that we can see each other on the next vacation. Juan decided to bring some plumes or some feathers, which looks amazing. The thing with these feathers is they look much nicer in the picture than to wear them in real life because they are going everywhere. So we gotta work with the wind. Let's try. Yeah, I like it. You can make the eye contact. Looks very good. I like the strong one.
Wow, the colors, everything.
Let me check the side. I need to be a little bit higher. Yes, there is perfect. Very beautiful. And make some closer ones also. Maybe a detail from the eyes. I like the pose with the triangle. Looks good. I kind of want one shot where we see you on a rock and it's like you're on the end of the world, you know? Oh my god, yes, there is perfect. And really make the chest to the front very strong. Yes, you can play a little bit with the feathers. When you hold it, you can make like a little turn with it, yes. So they don't stay in the same spots. Okay, go for it. And the arms maybe up. Yeah, I like this one. Very strong. And you can make them down again. Okay, I come a little bit closer for a strong shot there also. Yeah, wait for the wind. Let's go. I show you.
Wow.
Yeah, because you feel.
The earrings look
yeah,
very
it's
good.
perfect. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and as always, ciao ciao.
Ciao.
Bye bye.